Sahara.
Little Sahara, let's go with the new wrap.
Looking nice. All right, so this is a graphic kit for the new Maverick R. So we're just getting ready now to get going on our trip. So we're gonna be doing kind of the last trip of the year before weather hits. This is our fall trip. The weather's starting to turn, it's starting to get a little chillier out. The shorts are gonna be going away, but it should be fun. I'm excited to get out and rip around and go blow some steam off. We've been busy as heck. All right, so here's our colors. It's kind of a blue, almost maybe, kind of has a touch of purple almost. I decided, because I thought about doing my own custom wrap, and frankly, I just didn't want to take the time to cut and do the whole thing. I got this one that was already pre-cut for the Can-Am, which is awesome. So it's by numbers. We're gonna put it all on, so we'll take you along and show you putting it all on. Of course, in time lapse, not gonna put you through that. The other cool thing that we've got are Metal FX wheels that we had. I love these wheels, they're pretty dang cool. I had the rings powder coated cool blue. So we're gonna clean up the wheel itself a little bit, but I think that looks pretty awesome. Welcome to the channel, I'm Dave and this is Road Garage, and we are back on our family trip to Little Sahara out here in Utah. We love all of the fast supercar and muscle car stuff, but we absolutely love camping and spending time as a family and coming out and ripping around on all of our machines. I'll show you here, we have some footage of showing you the wrap, and here is the final finished product of this cool wrap that we did, changing it up. We still have more we're gonna add to it. We're gonna do a lot more branding to it as well, but it was like a last minute thing. I think I was up till almost 2 in the morning trying to get this wrap on. We're at the backside of Sand Mountain, which is where all of the monster dunes are. So I don't know if you can pick it up by scale, and the camera just does not do it justice, but these are massive. Most of these dunes are somewhere around 100 to 150 feet high, and we pretty much skim right on the top of them. It's friggin' amazing. Carrying speed upwards of 100 miles an hour, as you can see. It is super fun. Love bringing the family out here and spending time. I got my boys, and we'll show you, we got everybody at camp and that as well.
The turbo noises. That wasn't sport mode.
So if we do this one, it actually does the anti-lag.
What? Oh my God.
We're basically right at the end of the lane of grass where the trees start.
Right over in that area over there.
Yeah.
Right along that tree line.
Well, do we want to do the roller coaster?
I think it's time for the roller coaster.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah, you really can't tell. I really hope that does any sort of justice on video.
102 miles an hour.
Found him.
That was 102?
Yeah, 102.
Oh, I was like, yeah, I was 102 by the time I got down to the bottom.
Dude, I'm sitting there.
So what do we think? What do we think, Trevor? First impression.
102, baby.
Yeah.
102.
I hope it does it justice on camera how big that is.
We'll try to. Oh yeah, that's pretty up there.
All right, so we are camping here at Little Sahara, but they have 4 different campgrounds. The campground that we love to stay at the most is called White Sands. It's actually the farthest away from kind of the main hub of everything, which is Sand Mountain, where all the big stuff is. But with my kids and everything, we really love being out here. We're out a little bit farther away from everything. We've got dunes that we're right next to. With this, my kids are able to just kind of rip around and kind of have fun. As you can see behind me, we have a bunch of family, friends. We all get together, invite a bunch of people out, go out and enjoy riding, playing games, hanging out around the campfire, just kind of decompress from all the joys of work and that. We love it. I've been coming out and doing this for probably the better part of 10 years. Love the riding and love the just hanging out and visiting with family and friends.
Come alive again.
Wow. Oh my God.
Come alive again. like I'm alive again.
Well, we're loading up, we're heading out. It's been a good trip. I hope you enjoyed being able to kind of see a little bit of what we love doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we are out of here.